Well, hi, welcome back to my channel. Quick little health tip. It's a bartending trick I learned a long time ago. So my blood sugar's been bouncing all over the place, and then for whatever reason, I started having like gas bubbles in my stomach, like gas pain, like where you need to burp or fart, but it's not. It won't go anywhere. You're just like bent over. I was spent 40 minutes in a fetal position, and I was like, and my husband got to the grocery store, and I've been trying to cut down on pop. I was like, oh my gosh, you bought me Diet Coke, didn't you? He was like, yeah. I was like, is there a cold one? He's like, I can put it on ice. I said, no. Is there a cold one? He's like, yeah, I put one in the freezer because he knows I don't like ice. It makes it flat. But there was a reason I was asking. I was like, no. Is there a cold one? So I'm like hanging on to the side of the stairs, like, is there a cold one? He's like, yeah, there is. Why? I was like, toss me one up. And I grabbed the cold, that Coke. I was like, oh, amazing. Because anything, I would have rather had club soda at this point, but anything with carbonation will work. Um, Back when my oldest son was, and he's almost 23, but when he was having stomach problems, I don't know, like 2 years ago, he was over 21 though. I was like, here, let me make you something. He's like, if it tastes nasty, I'm not drinking. I'm like, it's like this much, hold your nose and down it. But you put 2 or 3 dashes of bitters, and they come out like kind of the way Tabasco sauce does. So it's not like a shot, it's a dash. 2 or 3 dashes of bitters. And anything that's carbonated, like I said, I would have been happy with club soda, but diet, it's Coke Zero technically, but anything that's carbonated will work. And as you can tell, I'm not hiccuping, because that was the next thing, is I was hiccuping so hard I was waiting to either see my entire stomach or my shoes or both come right out. It was like those painful, not the hiccups. It was like the hiccups were like, it was like, oh my God, I'm in so much pain. This stinks. Yeah, I just drank, like I said, it's less than like a shot, because it's probably less than 1 ounce total, because it's 2 dashes, maybe 3, with just the tiny enough to just get the carbonation in it, make it fizz up, down the hatch. And I'm fine now. So just a little recipe for y'all, but please like, share, subscribe.